back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called 𝘱𝘩𝘪𝘴. Welcome back, guys, to a new fresh year 2022. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you guys for your support last year. I have got so much amazing content for you this year. I'm super excited to start a new fresh year and just to create more magical moments for you guys to watch and for us to grow together. And yeah, I just thought it would be so perfect to start my first video of the year with what I got for my Christmas presents for 2021. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got. It's not a lot of things, but it's a few things which are super cool, and I just wanted to share with you guys. I thought that would be the best way to start this year, and I'm super excited, guys, to be back and to be recording content for you guys. I really missed you, and I hope everybody had a pleasant holiday festivities with your family and loved ones. And yeah, let's get into today's video. So guys, for my Christmas gifts, I generally, or any sort of gifts, I generally like a little bit of fashion, skincare, makeup. So anything like that is what I tend to put on my list for like friends, family and partner to get me. And the first thing that I received was this really lovely red textured double-breasted blazer, which is absolutely gorgeous, guys. It is just so perfect. I just thought that this would be really nice to throw on with a lot of things, and I'm such a blazer girl. I absolutely love my blazers, and I'm trying to build my collection, so I was really happy to receive this. And it's just got some nice detailing right at the front there. It's just got some nice gold buttons just going all the way down. It kind of looks like a Balmain dupe, and I really love that about this blazer. So I was super grateful to receive this, because I'm going to be wearing it with a lot of outfits. I just think it is absolutely beautiful, and I think that red really complements my skin complexion very well. So yeah, I just thought it was the perfect color for me to have. Item that I received for Christmas is this nice little black handbag, which is super cool. I really love the gold sort of detail and chain for me to hold onto. I just think it's super cute, and then I just love how cute and small it is, because my other handbag that I have is quite like a big handbag, and I really like holding onto like little handbags, slimmer handbags. I just find that it's easier for me, especially because I'm quite tiny in terms of my height. So I just don't like something that sort of makes me feel a bit like drowned. This is just so nice because yeah, it's just cute and it's just perfect. I always feel like when you're starting out with your handbag collections, it's nice to start off with black because it's timeless, so you can always wear it with any outfit. So yeah, I really love this handbag. And there's also a few other colors in this same bag on Zara, so do check it out if you want to treat yourself or treat someone. They've got a lot of colors. I think they've got like blue, orange, and I think even red as well, so do check that out. The next item that I got for my Christmas present was this lovely perfume here. I really wanted this. This is the Giorgio Armani, and it's called 𝘰, and it just smells so divine. It's a Perfume, and which is absolutely great because it lasts for a long time. It just smells so nice. The notes are like warm. It's a little bit musky, but it's got like a sweet ending. I might be wrong with how I'm describing it, but it's just the most subtle perfume ever. And I think in autumn you want something that's a little bit muskier but a little bit sweet, not too heavy, and this is definitely the perfume for that. So I really love this. I received a 30 mils, which is enough for me, because like with my perfumes that look like this, like my sort of expensive perfumes, I tend to just wear them on special occasions. So for me, this is more than enough. But yeah, I absolutely love this perfume, and if you are into fragrances, do try this one. It is to die for, literally. Then guys, in terms of my makeup, I received a top up of my Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, which I absolutely love. This is what I use to set my makeup. Even right now, I've got this underneath my eyes and all around my face. It is such a perfect setting powder to use. I absolutely recommend it. Yes, it's a bit costly, but guys, it just makes your makeup look so flawless and your skin just looks so delicious. Literally, do try this. It's a translucent powder. I only use it on the areas where I apply concealer, and it just makes them look absolutely fantastic. Do watch out for a review that I'm going to be doing soon on this powder for you guys, so do watch out for that video sometime soon. The next item that I received is this Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation. I've been wanting this foundation for ages, guys. It is an absolute godsend. I've been enjoying it. I'm always very worried about trying new foundations, but I've been enjoying this foundation. I've actually got it on my skin as well at this present moment. It's also one that I'm going to be doing a video for in the upcoming months, so I'm still sort of testing it out and seeing how it responds to my skin, so do watch out for a video. It's definitely been so good so far, and it just makes my skin look so glowy and so radiant. So yeah, do watch out for that. Then the last thing that I received as a present in terms of makeup wise is this lipstick here from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is the Matte Revolution Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick, and it is in the shade Pillow Talk. It is a really nice sort of deep mauvish pink color. I've got that on my lips right now. As you guys can see, I did add a little bit of gloss. The actual lipstick itself is a matte lipstick, but I'll show you guys what of the lipstick. It's like a mauvish kind of dirty pink color. It's so gorgeous, guys, and I have got that on. I did apply some gloss just to switch it up a little bit. I will also, if you guys want me to do a review on the lipstick, then definitely let me know. If you guys want me to find a dupe of this lipstick on that's more on a cheaper level, also do let me know and I can do that as well for you guys. But really love it. It's so soft, it's so easy to apply on the lips, and yeah, it's just a nice color. And I feel like for autumn, I do like sometimes I like a little pink, but that's not something that's going to be too bright, but just a subtle pink. And I think this is the perfect pink between a nude and an actual pink lipstick, if that makes sense. Pop-ups of products that I really love, or it's either I get like things that I've had on my list for ages, so sort of like the blazer, the handbag, that's something that I've had on my wish list for ages. So yeah, that's how that's what I got for my Christmas present, and that's how I sort of kind of so that's what I got for my Christmas present, and that's sort of what I like. I just tend to put things on my wish list, and yeah, it's sometimes the same thing, sometimes it's things that I've wanted from ages. And yeah, I really loved every present that I received, and I'm super grateful because I understand not everyone is as blessed and can have these things, so I'm really grateful for it, and I wanted to show you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed my first video for 2022, and I'm super excited, guys, for the year. I'm super excited to experience and create some amazing content for you guys, so do keep tuned to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, this video, with your family members, your loved one, and I really hope that you guys are doing fine, and I hope that you all are well and healthy. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, dolls. Bye.